welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nayada. If today is your first time seeing this face, hi there, hello, welcome to this family, and thank you so much for watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you ways to style fox locks, distress locks, butterfly locks, all types of locks. But let me thank Akosia for these beautiful locks I have. You can find her on social media as Roy Makeover. So she's a makeup artist and also a hairstylist. And to my wonderful viewers, thank you so much for your love and support. Please continue to help me and let's have an amazing year. So my beautiful viewers, let's get started.
Okay guys, so this is the first style and I'm going to hold part of the strands. I'm not going to hold all.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
So after using the rubber band to hold them, I'm going to take one strand to hide the rubber band.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so this is the first style and this is very simple. So simple. This is the style I've been doing ever since I had this locks. It's so simple and nice. I really love this style. I love all the styles, but this is what I always do.
Going around these walls.
There are so many ways to add something to the first style. So for this one, I'm taking 2 strands out to have a different look.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And with this same style, I'm going to add bandana. You can use any kind of scarves to do the style, so I chose bandana for this style.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So the same style, you can also shift all to one side. I love the fact that you get different looks from this style. It's very nice, simple, and I really love everything about this fox locks. And this is not for fox locks only. If you have box braids, any kind of braids, you can also make this style. So I'm going to hide the rubber band with one strand. You can use a black rubber band and you are good to go, but in case you use any different color, you need to take one strand, then you hide the rubber band.
Barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
This is style number 5, and with the same strands I gathered, I'm going to make a band from that. And this is a half band, not a full band. But please, all the styles we are making shouldn't be too tight, or else you're going to lose your edges.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
With this style again, I'm going to add bandana, and you can use any kind of scarf to do this, then you are good to go. I was so happy to get these good results. Very nice and simple. So try this style and let's see the real African goddess in you.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Okay loves, so this is style number 7, and I'm going to use some of the strands to cover parts of my edges to get different look.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So I'm going to secure it with a rubber band, and you can use any colorful rubber band or a design one.
turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
And you are going to feel comfortable with this style. It's not going to control you. You can move your head anyhow you want, left or right. It's still secured. And you can add more strands to aid how you want to look in this style. This is optional. And with this same style, I got this idea. It's funny but nice. I really like the results, and this is for picture's sake, because you can't take that one out. That is the next style I'm going to make. And you can't take it out because it was not safe for me. It was not secured. I won't feel comfortable in this style when I take it out. But maybe if you try this and you think you can hold it well with a rubber band, or you can adjust it well, you are good to go. But this is for picture's sake. You can get different looks with this head when you are taking pics. Imagine you have this hair for about 5 or 4 months and you like taking pictures. You need to get different looks for this hair. That is why I added this style to it. So this style was controlling me. I was not comfortable with that. What if I was supposed to take this out? How am I going to feel? So I did this for picture's sake, and guys, the result was mad. Is this not nice? Style number 9. This is also simple and quick, very quick. In case you are late for something, this is going to help you.
Beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began.
Okay guys, so this is the last style, and also simple. All the styles are very simple, nice. They are very easy to make. So drop your comments and let me know the style you want. It's time you stop making that same hairstyle. Try these hairstyles and let's see the goddess in you. Alright guys, I hope you love all the styles you've done so far. What is your favorite? Kindly drop your comments and let me know your favorites. Don't forget to share this video, like, and also subscribe if you haven't done yet. And also thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any time I post. See you in my next video. Bye.